This is the CNC 38 BR3 CNC pipe bending machine from Shuz Tung, and it has a whole range of special features which stand it well apart from the competition in this market.
Shuz Tung has many years of valuable experience in this market and fully understands the importance of professional, accurate assembly in delivering top quality, durable machines to its customers. This machine can bend pipe up to 38 millimeters in diameter and has a one-time feed length of 3,500 millimeters. There is also a PC-based control system and Yaskawa servo driver to ensure reliable, accurate operations. The features on this machine really do make it something special. First, we have the pipe bending die. Now, this die allows for all different shapes and sizes of material, as well as allowing the function of push bending when required. As an option on this machine, there is also a hole punch available. This is a key feature for some manufacturers, especially in the furniture industry, as this allows the complete bending and punching of pipe in one operation. This is an important advantage as it avoids the accuracy issues which can occur when hole punching is carried out pre or post bending, whilst also increasing production throughput. For strength and accuracy on this machine, the main axle is driven by an inverted tooth chain, which is a feature not found on many other machines of this type and offers great accuracy and length of service improvements over standard chain-driven axles. Firstly, this machine is controlled through an easy-to-read 17-inch touchscreen, which runs on a standard Windows XP platform and provides the operator with 4 to 6 axis machine control. Also, Shuz Tung offers multiple language options for this system, dependent upon the customer's requirements. The interface on this machine allows you the option of directly transferring either AutoCAD or CMM files into the machine, saving you time by avoiding the rekeying of jobs from scratch. One of the really unique features of this machine is the 3D simulation of the job, which is always available. Once you have set up the job, you can check that you've set it up correctly by running through the simulation process. The CNC 38 BR3 incorporates an excellent fault detection system, which provides electronic monitoring through a range of sensors throughout the machine. These sensors constantly monitor both mechanical and hydraulic systems and clearly report any faults to the operator. Through the latest 3D tracking measurement system, Shuz Tung can provide a complete production service. Once your prototype workpiece has been measured by the 3D tracking arm and probe, it can be directly ported into your Shuz Tung pipe bender, so you're ready to make profit from day one.
The CNC 38 BR3 is a great choice for all pipe bending operations, and through its high quality components, state-of-the-art control system and unique design features and state-of-the-art control system, it provides reliable, accurate and hassle-free operations without the need for long setup or training times.